This vehicle requires a two-stage programming process. This means you will install the module into your vehicle, program stage 1, remove the module and send it back to us, and then we will send it back to you after stage 2 is complete. So now we're going to give you guys a demo on how to operate the aftermarket remotes and how to lock, unlock, and remote start your vehicle from the remotes. Your OEM remote will still work exactly the same way. Now on the aftermarket remotes, it's going to operate the same way, except it will not have the trunk pop. This is a 3-function, 1-button remote. So if we double tap it, it's going to unlock the doors. If we tap it once, it's going to lock the doors. And then if we push and hold for about 3 seconds, it's going to start the vehicle. Now you guys will see that we have parking lights on in the front and the rear. I don't know if you can see the rear, but I can see just the corner of it. Now from this point, when you guys are ready to leave, all you have to do is hit the double tap to unlock, jump in, push the brake, and you can drive away and the car will stay running. It will not turn off. Now, if you guys want to turn the vehicle off from the remote, you can hit and hold for 3 seconds again, and it will turn the remote start off just like that.